So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see here this official website. Then here right hand side you can see here search button. You just type your model number Gigabyte Z890 AERO D. Okay, then hit enter. Then guys click to product and this one. Actually there are two type of D and G, so you can install any because installations process same. You can follow this for D and install G, so it's okay. Go to this tab, then this is your motherboard. Click to support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, and you can see in installation is Windows 11, so no worry, you can, because same installations process. Okay, VGA driver. So you can see here the Intel VGA driver and click to download. You can see here that the start downloading takes some time. So it is done, just single click. You can see graphic, double click to exe. Then click to yes. Then it is done, and then close it.